Log in to tarogo.ai. Sign in with your email address. Open token providers. Click Edit. You will see the basic info of the provider. Go to Extended Configuration. You can select multiple codex compatible models. Return to the API Key Management page. Click Edit. Select the provider for the codex models you chose earlier. Click Agent Tool Configuration to enter your personal dashboard. Scroll down to the Agent Installation section. Pick Codex and copy the installation command. Open your terminal and run the installation. Go back to the original page. Select your operating system and copy the parameter configuration command. Return to the console to complete the installation. Open a new console window. Launch Codex. Run the / command to verify the loaded models. Once the models are confirmed valid, you can start using Codex right away.